this Christmas tree is definitely a one-of-a-kind Christmas tree. Some people are gonna love it and understand where I was going with it, or some people are gonna be like, oh girl, it's a no for me. I used 0 ornaments.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For today's video, it is about the Christmas tree. But the whole goal here is for you to get inspired. I love to try different things. Every year, I try something different, something unique, something fun, whimsical. And I think that this year, this Christmas tree is definitely a one-of-a-kind Christmas tree. I haven't seen anyone do this. I used 0 ornaments. Nothing. Niente. Nada di nada. I used some fabric scraps that I had. One thing I should mention is that it does take time and you need a good pair of scissors because you will be cutting strips and strips of fabrics. But aside that, it is so easy. I don't have to take the ornaments out. I didn't have to put ornaments, dried flowers. Once the fabric's cut, it's good. You tie it around the branches and create your whole look. What I was envisioning, I was going for a willow tree that looked like it was dripping and heavy. You can tweak it, make it your own. Art is something that you experiment with and that you get creative and step outside your comfort zone. So I hope that this helps bring that out of you. I love the simplicity, yet it has a statement. I normally put my Christmas tree right in this corner, and that is where it's going to go again this year. When my family comes over, we normally hang out downstairs in the basement. So I want it to feel very Christmassy. We are going to put it there. So this is the tree. Let me show you. It's this one right here, and it is 7.5 feet tall. I used it I think it was maybe 2 years ago. And the lights are already in it. It is perfect. I don't have to add any lights. I love that it has a mix of leaves in there, so it looks a little bit more natural looking. We're gonna go ahead with this, take it out of the box, and do a whole big workout. This is the basket that I use pretty much every year. I love the color. It's a really huge basket, so every stand of tree fits in it. I ended up getting this one, I believe it was HomeSense. Anyway, let's get the tree out of the box and start putting it up.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
This year, I decided to go with no Christmas balls, nothing in the tree except for fabric scraps. Hopefully what I envision with the tree will transpire, so fingers crossed.
Everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
I had to come on here and share a giveaway for you guys. Since Christmas is right around the corner, I wanted to gift one lucky follower a Koakaya necklace. So in order to win, I would like you to either write some sort of why you would want to win this necklace. And in my next video, I'm going to put all of the names in a hat and I'm going to draw it. So good luck to everybody. Let's continue on with the tree.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just
video, I was thinking of doing some Christmas DIYs. For the next couple videos, it's pretty much going to be all about Christmas. I'm probably going to do maybe a centerpiece. I was also thinking of showing you how I am going to be wrapping my gifts this year. Comment down below, let me know if that's even something you would be interested in seeing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!